Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. As per usual, I'll get to it. So this is a quick analysis of this sketch. I'm really happy with the overall results. This was a really fun one to try and capture, and I believe I got really good results. Sketch 1 took me 3 minutes, sketch 2 took me 1 minute 40, and sketch 3, beg your pardon, took 3 minutes. Along with geometric and observational methods, I did use the usual good speed creating the feedback loop, which is where you get the information to improve upon or try and maintain that skill and approach. And I am pushing myself more and more out of my comfort zone to try new topics, new angles, new really anything, see if I can improve. And I am finding I am improving each week. Yes, I have days where I don't produce the best results, but there are days where I can actually produce really quite good results. So let me know what you think, and I shall get back to you. Bye!